everyone, welcome to Mom and Baby Wellness. My name is Nasteri, and today we are going to cover 3 days pregnant symptoms. So what are these pregnant symptoms that you can look out for from the third day of trying to conceive? And these pregnancy symptoms, or these symptoms, can actually help to point out that maybe you have conceived. So without further ado, let's get started with the 3 days pregnant symptoms. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, and especially if you are a lady who is trying to conceive, in this channel we share a lot of information, a lot of tips that can help you to conceive even quicker. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So in this video I'll be sharing some weird symptoms that are not talked about very often, but these symptoms can actually point out to you that could possibly be pointing out to you that actually you may have conceived even 3 days post trying to conceive. So what are these weird symptoms, pregnancy symptoms, that you should look out for? For example, symptom number 5, you have a runny nose or a sore throat and you feel like you're going down with the flu. So this actually happens to a lot of people when they conceive. You feel like you're feeling as if, that feeling like you're about to catch a cold. It's a weird symptom, but actually it may point out to you that you may have actually conceived. That is weird symptom number 5. Weird symptom number 4, you develop a dislike towards either tea or coffee. These two substances actually have a lot of caffeine, and caffeine is not good for pregnancy. Sometimes our bodies tend to help us or direct us towards making better choices. So for most women who have conceived, even without knowing, they tend to dislike either coffee. If you loved coffee before, you may find that right now you don't like the coffee, you don't like the tea. Maybe the smell is just way off, maybe the taste. No, there's just that. So you develop a sudden dislike for your coffee or for your tea. Weird symptom number 3, you are dealing with random dizziness. So you're about to stand up and you just feel dizzy, or you're seated down, you try to walk, you just feel dizzy. So these are weird symptom that it's not actually even weird, because when your body is preparing for pregnancy, there's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of hormones that are spiking up, trying to keep your body in check to help you carry the pregnancy. So this is actually a very good indicator that you could have actually conceived. I'm not saying that there are no other reasons that as to why you may have dizziness, but if you've been trying to conceive and you've been well before this, then getting these random dizzy spells could point out to you that you've actually conceived. Weird symptom number 2, got your period a few days earlier, and the kind of period that you got was actually light pinkish, and it actually ended quite fast. So it lasted maybe for a day or two, and this period actually came in earlier. This is what is mostly referred to as implantation bleeding. There's a lot of videos that I've done around this subject. So if you got your period a few days earlier and your period was lighter than usual, your period was pinkish in color as compared to the deep red normal period, and your period lasted for a very short period of time, maybe 1 day or even less than 2 days actually, then this could be a big sign that you have conceived, and these are very early pregnancy symptom. Weird symptom number, you don't have any premenstrual syndrome symptoms. For example, you don't have the fatigue, you don't have the moodiness that you usually feel a few days to your period, and you don't have all those feelings, normal feelings that you actually had, but you're feeling as if your body is slightly different from how it was before. It is a very weird symptom, but it could actually be telling you that there's something happening in your body, that you conceived, and that this is a big pregnancy symptom. So I hope with these 5 weird pregnancy symptoms, they will help you to understand that there's something that is going on. But remember, the best way to actually know if you have conceived is to test for pregnancy. Test for pregnancy, especially around that time that you are expecting your period. If your period misses, then do a pregnancy test that day or the next day, or even 2 days past your missed period. Around that period, it's when you are most likely to get an accurate test result. So I hope this video has been an eye-opener to you. If it has helped you, kindly leave a comment below this video. Tell me how you're feeling. Tell me how long have you been trying to conceive? Is this your first time? Are you having anxiety? Let us share. Let us learn from each other, and don't forget to subscribe as you look forward to my next video. Guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.